South Korea has been dealing with an increasing problem of social isolation and loneliness in recent years. According to a 2018 Ministry of Health and Welfare poll, nearly half of all Koreans aged 65 and older live alone, with an increasing proportion of young individuals experiencing feelings of loneliness as well. To address this issue, the South Korean government established the Lonely Senior Allowance. This program provides a monthly allowance of 100,000 won, about $90, to qualifying adults who are 65 or older and live alone. Those who participate in community activities such as volunteering or taking lessons can also receive an additional 30,000 won, about $27, per month. However, the program has lately expanded to accommodate younger people. In 2020, the government implemented the Lonely Youth Allowance, which gives financial assistance to those aged 19 to 34 who live alone and have low earnings. Depending on the applicant's financial status, the stipend can be worth up to 300,000 won, about $270, per month. The purpose of these allowances is to encourage socially isolated individuals to leave their houses and interact with others in their communities. The government intends to reduce some of the financial burden that may prohibit people from participating in social activities by giving financial assistance. Critics contend that the approach just addresses the symptoms of social isolation and does not address the underlying reasons. Some argue that the high cost of living in places such as Seoul makes it difficult for young people to purchase accommodation, leading to increasing rates of living alone. Others claim that the country's work ethic, which values long hours and productivity, contributes to feelings of isolation and loneliness. Despite these concerns, the program has gained considerable governmental and corporate sector support. Many businesses have made steps to support the program, such as providing discounts to those who get allowances. Local community centers have also been developed to facilitate social interaction and activities. It is crucial to remember that South Korea is not the only country dealing with loneliness and social isolation. Countries all throughout the world are dealing with comparable issues, particularly in the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic. The government of the United Kingdom, for example, has developed a loneliness strategy focused at reducing social isolation among elderly persons. Similarly, Japan has developed a program known as Furei Kippu, which allows people to earn credits by caring for or accompanying older people in their communities. Overall, while the South Korean government's policy may not address all of the underlying causes of social isolation and loneliness, it is a start in the right direction. The initiative provides a lifeline to persons who may otherwise feel isolated from their communities by providing financial support and encouraging community engagement. Programs like these will become increasingly crucial in encouraging social cohesiveness and well-being as we continue to manage the problems of an increasingly connected yet separated society.